If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. We're gonna be checking out TXT Anitta back for more. I heard it was like very MJ inspired based on what at least my Discord says. Shout out to my Discord if you haven't joined us. Please do. This is where I use Discord to update everyone that cares about what's happening around me, basically, and just K-pop in general too. It's like a little nice little community we got there. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. They performed this at the VMA. I think so. I only saw a little bit of it though. What's up, Littlest Dino? How you doing? Bro, this to-do list I'm doing on Twitch, that if you see it, that's pinned. Literally, Caitlin Benson, shout out to you. I saw you do it. I was like, wow, this is just an amazing way. It's just more organized way of handling things instead of me just repeating myself. So if you guys want to know what we're gonna be checking out today in today's stream, it's pinned at the comments on the Twitch stream. All right. The S-Class performance was fire at the VMAs too, but this was also performed at the VMAs. There's the official music video with Anitta, who's fine. I didn't have to make it known like that, but you know, I just gotta say, fine. Whoa, Dre, calm down. Back up. TXT Anitta back for more. Official MV. Let's go. Oh, we're going stage door. Oh, okay, it's a nice little transition. Oh, okay. Oh, is it all in English? Oh. Okay. We already started with the crotch grab. Ooh. Okay, sir. Sir got a sleeveless shirt. Do you have a sleeveless shirt? I'm so sorry. Damn, show off them arms. They tripping. Where we walk to? Okay, he is slaying. That's my bias right there, if you guys don't know. Ooh, that reminded me of like Shiny a bit, nah? Woo! Them harmonies. Coming back for more. Coming back for more. What we walk to? Damn. Okay, center. Get that center. Oh shit. God damn. Me right here. Hey yo. Ooh, there'll be something. Coming back for more. Ooh, hey. Where we walking out? Coming back for more. Oh my god. Bro, TXT and these collabs have been in their bag, to be honest. They've been my faves too. I feel like there should be more collabs with Spanish-speaking artists in K-pop. That's just personal preference I like. Ooh. Woo! You better perform as you should. Let's go. Hey. Woo! Let's go, Michael Jackson feel. Definitely inspired. Hey, what we walking out the door? Coming back for more. If you walk out there, What's happening? Is that it? What? This transition out of here like this? Hey, what's up? Okay, little smirk. Cute ass. Aw, it's blurred out though. Wait, hold up. I need to watch something one more time. One more time. I don't wanna feel nobody if it isn't you, baby. Right. Damn, they all like, they're all sleeveless. I just realized. I don't wanna feel nobody if it isn't you, baby. Been thinking about you lately. Okay. Oh. Why am I jealous of both of them? Because they're both near each other, and I kind of want to be both. Right? Does that make sense? I really like that they added like the more. I mean, obviously it was Michael Jackson inspired, but like they made sure like like all the little cadences. I love it when they always add that. Hey. Okay. What we're going? God damn. Hey, 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 hey. Bop, bop. If you lock the door, I need to stop. I need to stop. That's actually pretty fire. I feel like TXT has been in their bags with these collabs, actually, from the Jonas Brothers to Anitta. From even Ian Dior, when I was able to interview them. Guys, if you haven't seen that video on Dre Day, be sure to check it out. Oh, I wanted to go back. I was wondering why I went back here. There was one part that was kind of crazy to me. I think it was with, yeah, right here. I thought it was kind of cool. Cause I don't know. I was like, where are they going with this? Then to Anita's part, which is just even more failure. I mean, shout out to everybody. You weren't in it though. What you mean? Why am I fanboying for her? Because it's Anitta, bro. Bro, I don't know if K-pop fans or in general, if you're a music fan, the like the reggaeton community, like Spanish music is huge, like a huge different audience. Like, I mean, that's what they get numbers too. So when K-pop and artists like Anitta collab, I'm like, ooh, this is dope. Who won't fan over Anitta? I'm telling you, Latin Curve. Wait, hold on, one more time. God damn, that shit. I'm watching a K-pop video. What am I doing? Culanita. Wait, what does that mean? Ita, loco, como mueve el culo. Wait, I'm gonna Google search this. Google Trans. Unless chat can tell me. Chat, can you tell me? Can you tell me what it means? Okay. Ita, Loco means crazy. Como is what? Crazy like. Mueve el culo means ass. Oh. Anitta. Crazy how Anitta moves her ass. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's crazy how she moves her booty. Basically. Hold up. Hold up. Let me. I just love the way she says culo. I wish like maybe the TXT members would say culo too. That would be kind of fire. Damn, she do moving her ass like. All right, let's move on. I'm sorry. I'm staying on this for too long, I feel. Oh my goodness. What's up, y'all? I mean, she does know how to move it. Listen, I saw that shit move. It felt like it was a different mind of its own. Real talk. What do you think, chat? What do you think about this collab? Tell me what you think. What you think? Huh? I see you. Hi, chat. It's steamy. I think I need some water. They look grown. Like TXT? Do they look grown? Like, is it a good? It's definitely a good mix collaboration, I think. Very solid, I feel. Drake got hypnotized. Nah, cuz at the VMAs they were all shaking. What? Wait, hold on. Can I watch that? As I drink my bucket of green tea. I saw this part. I remember. Is the beginning sound like a thriller feel? It's an organ, right? That's playing, right? Damn, cuz trying to come through. Jeez. Ooh. The mics are on. I was about to say. Like, damn. His hair is like hella yellow, but it's like the way it's styled is so dope. Let's go. I see you coming back for more. Coming back for more. It's pretty solid. It's pretty solid to me. Anitta. Oh, what are we doing here? I didn't see this part. Oh my god. I am screaming. Oh my god, that's even more sensual than the music video. Oh, I want to be both of them. Like. Oh, where does she go? She just leaves? Oh no. Oh, she dances with them. Oh, that's fire. I'm glad I saw this. Hey. Oh, whoa. Who is this guy? What's your name? Charles? Nice to meet you, Charles. Damn, he was killing that, bro. Oh, now she leaving. This part I'm not gonna be dancing with. Look at her taking her time. I love it. Look at her, iconic mommy. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, they were going in more in live though. What? TXT. It's TXT. It's TXT. God. Look at all of them. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.